Hello everyone, Miss Darnell here with today's math lesson. Our learning target for today is I can compare areas of shapes by decomposing and recomposing. So basically, we're going to be decomposing or breaking apart shapes and recomposing them, putting them back together. So breaking them apart and putting them back together. Then we're going to compare the area of those shapes. So let's look at this rectangle. What is the area of the rectangle? Go ahead and take a second, see if you can figure it out. Last week we learned that the area of a rectangle is just how many square units or how many pieces that rectangle has in it. So if we count these square units, we see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the top and 6 on the bottom. So that's 2 equal rows of 6. So that would mean that our area is 12 square inches. What would it look like if we arranged these 12 squares into 3 equal rows? If you have a piece of paper or something around you that you can write on, go ahead and try it. It might look something like this rectangle. We have 3 equal rows of 4. What's the area of this rectangle? "12 square inches." What about if we rearrange all 12 squares into 4 equal rows this time? Go ahead and try it on a piece of paper. Your new rectangle might look something like this. So what is the area of this rectangle? See if you can figure it out. You guessed it, 12 square inches. So how is it possible for all 3 rectangles to have the same area? They look different, but they have the same area. Well, remember when we talked about decomposing and recomposing our rectangles? Basically, what we did is we took the same amount of square units, we broke them apart, and we put them in a different order. And when we did that, we ended up with the same 12 square inches, but they were just in different places. Let's look at this problem. Shyla creates a rectangle with an area of 8 square inches. Then she creates another rectangle with an area of 8 square centimeters. Do the rectangles have the same area? Explain your answer. Well, what do you think, guys? Do the rectangles have the same area? Let's look at Shyla's first rectangle. If she has a rectangle that has 8 square inches as an area, and she has another rectangle that has an area of 8 square centimeters, are those rectangles going to be the same? Let's think about what we have learned about measurement. So we know what a centimeter is, and we know what an inch is. Let's think about those two compared together. A centimeter is a lot smaller than an inch. So if we have units that are 8 square centimeters compared to another rectangle that has units of 8 square inches, do you think that our inches and our centimeters are going to be the same size? Nope, probably not. So do the rectangles have the same area? No, they don't. Of course, they both have an area of 8, but one is square inches and one is square centimeters. So that helps us to explain our answer. I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope this lesson helped you out with your NTI work. See you soon.